Howdy. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick breakdown on how we set up our dating app profiles on iPhones. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. If you're familiar with dating apps, then you know how very hard it is to set up a dating app profile without spooking it and it asking you to verify the account. But we have found a way to do this, and we've been using this method for a long, long time. I have documented this method, but I still get people that are a little confused and they start mixing and matching the different steps. Well, when you mix and match the different steps, then it becomes a totally different method, and therefore you're not going to get the same result. So let me just break it down for you. But before we get started, yeah, that happened. So if you're wondering how legit I am and whether I actually know what I'm talking about, well, my home country just called me a pimp in the national newspaper. So yeah, that happened. Anyway, back to it. So, okay, as I said, we use iPhones, all right? So here we go, got an iPhone here. We'll make it black one. There you go. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna factory reset. It's gonna be a way. I've made this a little difficult. Anyway, factory reset, all right? Step one, factory reset phone. This is to give it a new device ID. If you've already tried creating dating app profiles on your iPhone, don't worry, reset it, factory reset it. For this, you're gonna be starting fresh. When you factory reset the phone, you get a totally new device ID and the dating apps think it's a brand new, different phone, all right? So factory reset, step one. Then, take a little side quest here. Then you're gonna purchase a new SIM card. Oh, where do I get a SIM card? Pick these out. You can get one over here, get SIM cards here, or you can go on Amazon and find SIM cards. But here's the thing. You want to get a SIM card from the country that you are in. You want to get a SIM card from the country that you and the iPhone are in. Yeah, but I want to show dating apps in a different country. I don't want to just show dating apps in this country. Yeah, I know. But listen to me. You're getting a SIM card for the country that you and the iPhone are in. All right? So let's say you're in Australia. You're getting you can't even read this shit. What the fuck? An, an Australian SIM card, all right? So you're getting a SIM card from the country that you are in, all right? So we've got the iPhone. You factory reset the iPhone. Then you're buying a SIM card from the country that what? Yeah, that you are in. Once you've done that, you will set up the iPhone. You'll set up the iPhone with the SIM card from where? From the country that you are in. Once you've set all that up, then what you're going to do, I haven't left room here, is you're going to spoof the location. Man, I hope you're understanding this. You're going to spoof the location, all right? So let's just quickly recap. So you got the brand new iPhone because you factory reset it. Then you're buying the SIM card from the country that you are in. Now you're setting up the iPhone. You're inserting the SIM card, setting it all up. Once that's set up, you're going to spoof the location. Yeah, no, but I need to download Tinder in that first. And they're like, no, not yet. Once you've set it up with the SIM card, you're going to spoof the location. Oh, how do I spoof the location? Bam, 3U tools, free. Connect the iPhone, and then here's the thing. You're going to be spoofing to a location that is still in the same country as you, but in like a different state or a different city. Yeah, but I want to show dating apps in like a different country, not just different city. Yeah, I know. So here's the reason. What you're doing is you're spoofing location to a different part of the same country so that iPhone still knows that you're in the same country because you have the SIM card from the same country. The iPhone's in that same country. And you're just spoofing to a different location in the same country because you don't want to keep creating multiple dating apps in the same spot. You create multiple dating apps in the same spot, and then you got similar photos, or it's the same girl, even though you're using different names, not going to work out well. So the only purpose you're spoofing location is to a different part of the country so that you're not creating dating apps in the same spot. This is irrespective of where you want to show the dating app. This is not related to that. You're spoofing location in a different spot in the same country so that you are not creating multiple dating apps in the same spot. That's it. We'll get to the different country later, all right? So, as I said, you'll go to 3U Tools, download it, connect the iPhone, whatever, follow the prompts, choose another spot in the country where you are, choose a different state, whatever. Look it up on Google, find the spot, type that address into the virtual location on 3U Tools, modify it, bam. iPhone now thinks you're in a different location. Now, as long as the iPhone stays on, stays on, does not die, does not reset. As long as the iPhone stays on or stays charged, stays on, it will always think you're in that location. As soon as the iPhone resets or turns off, when it wakes back up again, it's going to think you're back at the original spot. Which means if you've already installed the dating apps, you already set up the dating apps, and the dating apps think you're in this spot, and then suddenly you turn on your iPhone and now you've jumped all the way back here, the dating app's going to hang on, that's not normal, and boom, ban you. So make sure the iPhone stays on, all right? Now, once that's all done, so the iPhone's been set up, you got the SIM card that's been set up. You've spoofed the location to a different spot in the same country. All good. Now we're all good. You've done all that. Now you download Tinder. This is because if you download Tinder first and then spoof the location, even though you might not have opened the app yet, you have to assume that the apps can detect everything you do, because they probably can. So what we're doing with this method is we're trying to narrow down the different possibilities and the different ways that the app can detect the anomalies. We're narrowing down the different ways that Tinder, for example, can detect like fraudulent behavior. That's why we're not spoofing a different country. That's why we're not using a SIM from a different country, because we're making it all look as normal as possible, all right? So now you've done that, you'll download the Tinder app, then you'll install it, then you'll set up the profile. This is a whole nother video, but it's all on Empire. You'll set up the profile and then you'll warm it up. If you don't know what that is, go to Empire or Google it or whatever. You'll warm up the account for 48 hours, because if you start putting something in the bio and getting swiping straight away after creating an account, the account's going to go, oh, hang on, that's a bit weird. That's a bit marketing-ish. So they'll go, probably verify. So you create the profile as much as you get prompted, and then you'll close the app, let it sit for 2 days, then you open the app again. The account is now warmed up, all right? Yeah, but we haven't got the part where I show the dating apps in different countries. You've just spoofed me to the same location in the same country. What? I know, all right? So, okay, quick recap. iPhone, factory reset, yes. Installed the SIM card from the same country, yes. Everything's set up, good, yes. Then you've spoofed a location to a different part of the same country. So here's what's going on. You're spoofed. This is what the iPhone looks like. You're spoofed to a different location, but that's in the same country. The SIM card's from the same country, and the iPhone's in the same country. See what I mean? You're narrowing out all the ways that the app can go, that looks weird, all right? Now you've downloaded the app, and now as far as the app knows, it thinks you're in this different part of the country. So therefore you can keep doing this. You can replicate this on different phones. You just spoof them in different parts of the same country, all right? Now, once the account's warmed up, here's the part we start marketing to other countries or whatever, all right? Yeah, but no, we spoofed the location to the country, don't we? No. Don't do that. Just follow me, all right? So, okay. So now you've installed Tinder, you spoofed to a different part of the same country, and here's what you do. You purchase, I don't know if you can see that, you purchase Tinder Gold. So the account's warmed up. It's all set up. The bio's done. The funnel's there. That's a whole nother video. The photos uploaded. It's all done. Then you purchase Tinder Gold. Then, once you've purchased Tinder Gold, you use Tinder Gold features, which is the travel feature, to show you in different parts of the country. So you're using the Tinder feature itself to show you in different countries. Therefore, it all looks normal according to the app. There is no mix matching going on. The app doesn't see that the iPhone's in one country, the SIM's from a different country, and then you spoof to another different country. The app does not see any of that. The app thinks everything's normal. The app's like, the iPhone SIM, it's all in the same country. It's all in the same country, all good. Then you use Tinder itself, which is the gold. Yes, you have to pay for it. You're going to need it anyway, so you can just keep swiping and stuff. Then you purchase Tinder Gold and you use Tinder Gold to show you in different countries. So then all of the marketing, all of the displaying and moving around the world is done using the app functionality itself, so that it doesn't look weird, because the app is allowing you to do that. The app is charging you to do that. All right, and that's how none of our accounts get asked to verify, because we do that exact method. Now, if you go factory reset in the iPhone and then download Tinder and then the app and then locate, and you're like, oh, it's not working, I'm getting asked to verify. Yeah, guess what? Because you didn't follow this exact method. If you change any one of these things, don't come to me saying it doesn't work. Because I know some of you are going to go, okay, yeah, I'll download the iPhone, then I'll put the proxy in. No. There is no proxy. Zero proxy. The internet is coming from the SIM card. Yeah, but I don't have internet on the SIM card. I don't. Well, then it's not the same method, is it? So you're not going to get the same result. Internet is coming from the SIM card. No proxy. And if you follow this exact method, then the accounts won't get asked to verify unless you do something stupid like put your Instagram straight in the bio. Then it's going to get a little dicey. But up until this point, assume you act normal. That's a whole nother video in itself. You will not get asked to verify. And we've been doing this for nearly a year now, right? So that's it. That's the exact process we use to keep creating dating app accounts without getting asked to verify. Therefore, less steps. Therefore, we can create more accounts quicker. And it's just easier all around. So that's it. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, throw a comment underneath. Let me know what you want to see next or whatever. And I'll see you in another video.